Oh my god, sister! Ugh, she's not picking up. She is not picking up. She needs to pick up. Sister! 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 Where is she? I wonder where she could be. Let me see, guys. I'm gonna call her one more time. Calling her. Who? CJ So Cool do got grills. Like these teeth grills. He got tops and bottom. He picked his down.
It's just white.
Let me go look for her because I know she did not leave out the room.
But did you hear Florin and you looked upstairs?
I think I hear her. Someone upstairs snoring. Let me go check. It might be her. Sister! Get up! Up! Get up! Get up, sister. I'm gonna shake you. Okay, I'm calling mom.
Is this
Mom, sister will not.
Is this his girlfriend?
Royalty.
Don't you know royalty?
You know what? I'm going downstairs without her. I hope she has a nice.
Yes, this time. You don't have a card. What? Lock the door. Just in case
I'm going downstairs for some coffee. Because you know what? My sister does not know what she's doing. There we go. On floor 2. Ooh. On floor 2. Okay, so. Okay, there. I was a little bit laggy right there, guys. But since my sister does not want to wake up, I'm going downstairs. Oops. Should I surprise my sister by buying the garden suit if they have it in stock right now? Oh, almost got stuck. Let's see. No, these people keep taking the garden suit. Ooh, should I go to the salon? I'm going on a day out with me. Nah, I don't really think I should go.
And then you wake me up again, and I said, I'm awake.
I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna blow your phone up.
What do you want?
Sister, I'm downstairs getting food. If you want to come, just...
No, you give me some food.
No, I'm not giving you no food since you don't want to pick up your phone and don't want to wake up. So you're going to come down here and wake yourself.
I did wake up, and then I went back to sleep.
Well, what?
I'm just sleeping. Sister, when are you coming home?
I'm not coming home yet. Stop calling me on my phone if you're not gonna.
Oh, I'm calling mom then.
I don't care. I'm gonna order something. Ooh, the menu. I like it. The menu is very. Ooh, they got green tea.
Oh, there's some green tea. I love green tea.
I shouldn't be light, so I'm gonna just give me a mocha smoothie. I'm gonna order it. Let me get me
I've been sleeping for a long time.
pink donut. Ooh. Just look at my pizza. Mmm. Looks delicious. Mocha. Mmm. This is super good. Thank you for the great food, Fantasia Hotel. I'm just gonna sit here like I'm a very special person. Sit in a VIP area.
You're not a VIP liar.
Huh?
This is super delish.
You look retarded.
Okay, I'm done with my food. And I'm just gonna go chill out, and I hope they have a pool here, because I would love to go to a pool. Even though in this,
Because how you go back? No, you don't do it. Oh, there you go.
okay, put a microwave for me. I found my drink, but I drank it all. I'm up inside the... Ooh, I like it here. This is a very cool area. Ooh, she has a mermaid tail. Now I'm gonna go get my bathing suit on. I'm an ice fairy, so I gotta hide my room. I don't hear anybody. Is she calling me or something? Okay, let me hide my wings. Let me skirt my skirt. Wait, I have to take my makeup off. So I don't want my... Huh? I want it. You can get a bite. Whee! I know you was gonna eat it. Woo!
You know, I would have ate half of the burger. You know what I'm saying?
Sister, come look at this bag. You left the water on it.
You left the... Let me turn. Let me see if she needs me.
Stop blaming everything on me. You did it.
Hello?
What you want, sister? And you overflow the bag. You're gonna go home right now, or tell mom, and clean it.
No, I'm not, because you're not my boss. Oh, hey, Yasmin.
Oh, tell mom.
She look... Why she look extra shy?
Imagine me on top of this curtain with the covers over.
He looked so tall.
Oh, let me get my phone out of here.
Sister! Sister, I know you're here. Please. I have to go to the pond.
And I'm also going to be playing one of CJ's favorite songs while I'm trying to prank him. So stay tuned, guys.
I'm inside the ocean. The ocean is very fun to swim in. No lie. So